And if you look at the Vietnam War, America won nearly every single major battle it fought. So it raises a very interesting question. How do you win most of the battles? How do you decimate your enemy and lose the war? Clearly, we don't fully understand this concept of winning and losing. It's not simply the score that we keep. There's something more to it.
But what if I told you YouTube isn't a game you win? It's a game you stay in. Most creators don't quit YouTube because they're lazy. They quit because they're playing the wrong game. They're chasing views, subscribers, and viral moments instead of building something that lasts. Simon Sinek says there's two types of games, a finite and an infinite. A finite game has clear winners, losers, and endpoints. Think of sports or a viral TikTok challenge. But YouTube, that's an infinite game. There's no finish line, no single person to beat. The only rule? Stay in the game. Create with purpose and grow a little every day. To play an infinite game, you need a just cause. Not a sub count, not ad revenue, but a reason that's bigger than you. Why are you creating videos in the first place? To inspire? To teach? To make people laugh on the hardest days? That why is what gets you through the weeks when no one's watching. In the infinite game, the strongest creators aren't the ones with rigid strategies. They're the ones who can adapt. Your niche might shift, your style might change, but your cause stays steady. You're not chasing trends. You're evolving with intent. Most new creators compare themselves constantly. But Sinek reminds us, we don't need to beat others. We need to learn from them. Other channels aren't your enemy. They're your mirror. They show you what's possible. They challenge you to level up. That's a gift. The best threat to your YouTube journey isn't the algorithm. It's discouragement. It's quitting too soon because you're not winning. But in an infinite game, there is no winning. There is only learning. There is only legacy. There is only the next upload. YouTube is not for the people chasing trophies. It's for the ones chasing transformation. Create with purpose. Play with patience. And stay in the game. That is how you grow. That is how you lead. And that is how you win the game, but not playing to the end. If you're committed to playing the long game, I'd love to walk it with you. Subscribe for honest YouTube growth advice made for creators like us. This isn't about going viral. It's about becoming undeniable.